We're gonna be opening a brand new NFT collection with no coding experience in 24 hours. I'm actually being completely serious, guys. We're gonna go to the studio. We're gonna see if we can actually make a full NFT collection. This kind of reminds me of 2017 dropshipping. It's so new that people just don't know what's bad and don't know what's good.
The more you knowledge, the more you Lamborghini.
It's as easy as getting someone on Fiverr to make 10,000 pieces, promoting them good on Twitter, posting them on OpenSea, and voila, you have a good NFT project. Look at this confession of this guy on a Behesa video.
Yeah, I launched my own NFT about 2 weeks ago.
Can you flex on us real quick with some numbers that you made, or is that private?
I can say that I hired a developer and a designer. They got a percentage of the mint. I split the rest with my other partner, and we sold out in 18 million. It was 600 Ethereum at the time, which was about $2 million.
Oh, that's nuts.
Alright guys, so before we go to the house, there's a few things that we have to do. So this is our plan. We're gonna go to the house, we're gonna get someone on Fiverr or maybe even myself to make the NFT pictures. Then we have to open up a Twitter, and then I think I'm just gonna buy some fake followers. Make it look all professional in under 24 hours and then see where it takes us. I'm pretty much just showing you how easy it is to make a project, and who knows, maybe we get sales, maybe we don't, but I'm pretty much just giving you the free sauce. Okay, so we are back in the studio and now it's time to actually get in and do it. I'm looking at Fiverr and I don't see a lot of people who would do it in 24 hours, and since we have to do the whole project and post it up in less than 24 hours, I think I'm gonna have to do the art myself, which is kind of a twist, but I'm gonna see how good I can do. And guys, just wish me luck. I'm pretty sure the only thing that's gonna be easy about this is getting the Twitter page open and getting some followers on it. I'm just gonna buy them off a sketchy website from Alibaba. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I typed in on Fiverr NFT collection and this is what came up. It's unbelievably cheap. Look, it's as cheap as $40. This guy's doing it over here for $50. This guy's doing it for $25, and it's Fiverr's choice. So we're gonna click on him. We're gonna see what he can do. You can get your full 10,000 NFT made for $25 on Fiverr. The only thing is, it's gonna take 3 days. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to pick anyone from Fiverr because none of them that I've seen do it in less than 24 hours. It's pretty crazy that for as little as $25, you could open up your full collection. So I'm gonna search the internet and see which other ways I can make NFTs in less than 24 hours.
5 hours later.
Alright guys, so I found this website and I don't know how good it is. It's kind of sketchy, but it literally says that I type something and they're just gonna create the picture and create the NFT. So here we go. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna type is AMC. So it actually looks as if this website is actually creating my NFT. Alright, so while this one's being made, we're gonna make a couple more, and at the end we might have a full-blown NFT collection. Who knows? Alright guys, so after an hour of making NFTs, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fell in love with my collection. So to keep it in the theme of stocks, crypto, and NFTs, I named them all around something that we all know and love. Really quickly, we're gonna go through them, but if you want to see them a little bit more deeply, just pause the video or just click the link in bio. Alright guys, so 24 hours passed, I finished the collection, and we're gonna take a look at it. There's 15 items. I set them all at a price of 0.01, just because that's the cheapest price, and I don't think anyone's gonna get something that they don't know for expensive, you know what I mean? So cheaper price makes sense. But anyways guys, here we go. It's pretty much logos just about bull markets, bear market, and just normal terms that normal investors and people who just know about NFTs and crypto would kind of know.
5 hours later.
Alright guys, so I can't lie, we're looking kind of official. We got the actual Generative Os, which is the name of our project. The only problem is that our Twitter has 0 followers, so we're gonna have to fix that problem right now. Alright guys, so after a lot of digging, I think I found the website that we're gonna buy the followers with, called fastlikes.io. Honestly, I don't know much about them, but the general consensus is that $15 gets you 500 followers, and this website looks the less sketchy, so we're gonna buy 500 followers. I think that's a pretty good amount where some people might see it and be like, yo, this is maybe a project on the come up. Alright guys, so I just paid for it, ordered successfully. Now we're just gonna see the followers rack up. Alright, well, unfortunately the followers didn't get here in time, but let's just pop up the picture in Photoshop. So this is kind of how it would look with the 500 followers. By the time I'm done editing this and all that, the followers are probably gonna be there. But yeah, if you guys want to go cop the collection, I'm gonna go put it in the description. Anyways guys, I'm gonna be taking this collection pretty serious throughout every career that I go through, so I'm gonna promote this on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that. But yeah guys, if you guys want a part 2 or another video, just leave it down in the comments. This is my second ever YouTube video, and peace out everybody.